Nature, the gentlest mother, impatient of no child, the feeblest of the waywardest, her admonition mild. In forest and the hill by traveler is heard, restraining rampant squirrel, or too impetuous bird. How fair her conversation a summer afternoon, her household, her assembly, and when the sun goes down, her voice among the isles incites the timid prayer of the minutest cricket, the most unworthy flower. When all the children sleep, she turns as long away as will suffice to light her lamps. Then, bending from the sky with infinite affection and infiniter care, her golden finger on her lip wills silence everywhere.